As a DAF leader, military or civilian, you are accountable for securing the military power that deters our adversaries. And continued dominance depends on innovative solutions that come from cohesive teams. In this high-stakes environment, passable outcomes and tenuous teamwork is not enough. That's where we can help. We're your secret weapon for perfecting your influence in delivering impactful results and for resolving the unchecked interpersonal tensions that waste time and divert focus. Whether you aim to grow your leadership skills or require support from a neutral practitioner, we stand ready to help. Discussions are confidential, ensuring you can speak freely and focus on solutions. Don't get mad. Don't get even. Get what you want. Contact us today. Strengthen your leadership, secure the mission,